Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will do questions answers of chapter 6, that is physical and chemical changes. So first question is, classify the changes involved in the following processes as physical or chemical changes. And processes are photosynthesis, dissolving sugar in water, burning of coal, melting of wax, beating aluminium to make aluminium foil, and digestion of food. For this question, you have to draw two columns. In first column, you have to write process's name, and in second column, you have to write types of changes. So first process is photosynthesis, name of change, chemical change. Next process is dissolving sugar in water, name of change, physical change. Next process is burning of coal, name of change, chemical change. Next process is melting of wax, name of change, physical change. Next process is beating aluminium to make aluminium foil, name of change, physical change. Next process is digestion of food, name of change, chemical change. Now question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. In case a statement is false, write the correct statement in your notebook. So first statement is, cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. This statement is false, and correct statement is, cutting a log of wood into pieces is a physical change. Next statement, formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. This statement is false, and correct statement is, formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. Next statement, iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. This statement is true. Next statement, iron and rust are the same substances. This statement is false, and correct statement is, iron is a metal but rust is an iron oxide. Next statement, condensation of steam is not a chemical change. This statement is true. Now question number 3. Fill in the blanks in the following statements. So first fill in the blanks is, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of dash. Answer, calcium carbonate. Next fill in the blanks. The chemical name of baking soda is dash. Answer, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Next fill in the blanks. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are dash and dash. Answers are applying the color and galvanization. Next fill in the blanks. Changes in which only dash properties of a substance change are called physical changes. Answer, physical. Next fill in the blanks. Changes in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. Answer, chemical. Now question number 4. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of a gas. What type of changes is it? Explain. Answer, baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles of carbon dioxide are formed and heat is evolved, so this is a chemical change. Now question number 5. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes take place. Answer, burning of wax is a chemical change and melting of wax is physical change. Now explanation, the wax near to flame burns and gives new substances like carbon dioxide, carbon soot, water vapors, heat and light. So this is a chemical change. On the other hand, melting of wax is a state change. Now burning of wood is an example of both physical and chemical change. Now question number 6. How would you show that the setting of curd is a chemical change? Answer, the setting of curd is a chemical change because a new substance or lactic acid is formed with different taste than the original substance. Now question number 7. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. Answer, in burning of wood, chemical reactions take place as carbon dioxide of new properties are formed. So it is a chemical change. When wood is cut into small pieces, its shape and volume change, but the smallest of wood is at last wood, so it is a physical change. Now question number 8. Describe how crystals of copper sulfate are prepared. Answer, for making crystals of copper sulfate, steps are: step 1. Take a cup full of water in a beaker and add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. Step 2. Heat the water. Step 3. When it starts boiling, add copper sulfate powder slowly while stirring continuously. Continue adding copper sulfate powder till no more powder can be dissolved. Step 4. Filter the solution. Step 5. Allow it to cool. Do not disturb the solution when it is cooling. Now step 6. Look at the solution after some time. Now conclusion. Blue colored crystals are seen in the solution of copper sulfate. Now question number 9. Explain how painting of an iron gate prevents it from rusting. Answer. Rusting occurs in the presence of both air and water. If a coat of paint is applied to an iron gate, then iron does not come in direct contact with air and water, so rusting is prevented. Now question number 10. Explain why rusting of iron objects is faster in coastal areas than in deserts. Answer. In coastal areas, the content of moisture in the air is high, so the process of rusting is faster, whereas deserts are extremely dry environment. Now question number 11. The gas we use in the kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. In the cylinder, it exists as a liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder, it becomes a gas, change A. Then it burns, change B. The following statements pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. First option, process A is a chemical change. Second option, process B is a chemical change. Third option, both processes A and B are chemical changes. Fourth option, none of these processes is a chemical change. Answer, option 2, process B is a chemical change. Now question number 12. Anaerobic bacteria digest animal waste and produce biogas. Change A. The biogas is then burnt as fuel. Change B. The following statements pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. Option 1. Process A is a chemical change. Option 2. Process B is a chemical change. Option 3. Both processes A and B are chemical changes. Option 4. None of these processes is a chemical change. Answer. Option 3. Both processes A and B are chemical changes. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।